Hey traders, John Halley. Oh, turn that microphone down. A quick update on the indices. Let's get straight into it. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video today, because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There are so many areas you need to become good at to become a good trader. Emotional mastery, chart reading, trading systems, money and trade management. So this video is just educational only to help you become a much better trader. Alright, let's get straight into it. Yesterday I did a video, guys, on the indices, and I said that, looking at the S&P 500 now, the indices, that firstly, on the S&P 500 here, you can see how that had a whole bunch of area of resistance through here. And I said, yeah, we may get a bit of upward movement, but there's a lot of resistance through here. And that's exactly what happened. So for me, guys, what I see on the S&P 500 is I can't see why we cannot get down towards this. I have a target of down to this bottom line here. And, down the bottom here on this trend line here on the S&P 500, it's like 18. I know it's a pretty big drop, but 18 sort of 17 level on a short-term basis, especially what's happening right now, September, October. So that's why I have a short-term target there. I think this thing's going to get hammered on the downside. That's just what I think anyway. So the Dow Jones as well too. I was talking about the Dow Jones, and I did say, I put this trend up yesterday. I said this trend line here, if it rejects it, or if it gets past this trend line, then we have resistance up here. But overall, this is looking very weak. We start breaking past this trend line here, then we have quite a distance run down. We probably have another run down towards that level there, and then we have another run down towards this level through here. So Dow Jones is looking weak as well too. The Russell, well, I talked about the Russell, and you can see all these trend lines that I put up yesterday, how they're all coming into play now. And you can see, especially on this long-term chart, we're really getting that bear flag. So that bear flag, but we are getting ready for another big drop, I believe. It just really feels that on the charts. As you can see here, Nasdaq is running up, hitting resistance, and now it's backing off as well too. So you can see that with the Nasdaq as well too, really rejecting that off. So you can really see that we're really getting a rejection off this level through here, and we are getting this nice bear flag formation through here. So again, if you look at, say, the Russell looks obviously very nice as well too, and the Dow Jones, same thing as well too, and also the S&P, it looks very weak there. Guys, this is very weak. I believe a lot more downside is to come. The charts are screaming weakness. The market is struggling to go up. It's down. The prices are down on the S&P 500. Looking at gold looks very weak as well too. Gold's around that support and resistance level now. It just broke out of a head and shoulder formation pattern, which was basically through there. As you can see, if I just draw that up through there, you can see how that was just a head and shoulder formation pattern. So, analysts say if you draw it from the top here and you draw it down through there, like that, and you project that down, then they say that down the bottom here. So looks like gold has a lot more ways to go down as well too. Looking at gold, so very weak. And you can see how gold, if I take this trend line off, look at this here. And I've actually got this trend line down the bottom here from a weekly chart, and look where the trend line here, look where it just sat there, just sat right there. So I believe gold has a lot more downside to come as well. Looking at that, and looking at oil's actually building a bullish flag, isn't it? As you can see, right, the market's running up through here, it's trying to build a bullish flag formation. I wouldn't say that it's definitely a bullish flag formation, but it is definitely looking at that as well too. So anyway, guys, it's a quick update on the indices. Yesterday I said don't be too surprised to see some weakness come into market. It hasn't come into market, but the day charts, these charts through the day bar, is definitely showing weakness. So anyway, guys, this is John Howell here from officialjohnhowell.com. Remember, success can be yours if you go claim it. So step up, take massive action, and face your fears today.